Wala, ano masasabi mo?
Ano you know?
Wala.
Masaya ka ba?
Oo naman.
That's good. Good to hear that, man.
Nagugutom ka na ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Bakit?
Di ba kumain tayo ng puto bumbong?
Okay na yun sa'yo?
Okay pa ako. Hindi ako masyadong kumakain pagka morning.
Naiihi.
Coffee lang
ako naman
eh.
tuloy naiihi ngayon.
Naiihi ka.
Mm.
Kailangan mo ng quarter.
Kaya nga eh.
I need to do my measurements pa. Inuna ko lang muna yun sa braids.
Raquel, say hi.
Hi.
Tiffany, say hi. Tara, say hi.
Is Kali still like crybaby?
Yeah.
He gets along with everybody. But he throws tantrums.
You know why she wants to babysit your kid? She wants
a baby.
Yeah, I know, right? She's just
You
making
can have him.
Colors niyo ma?
You can have him for like
You
how
can
much?
have him
$10,000?
A good
for
looking
free.
baby. Why
For
not?
free?
Adopt him?
Shit. Raquel, may quarters ka ba?
Wala nga.
Naiihi na ako, shit.
May quarters ako.
Ayun, pahingi. Naiihi na ako sobra.
Bakit mo kailangan ng quarters?
Eh kasi sa Popeyes, kailangan mo magbayad ng quarter para Ojun.
Oh yeah?
Oo.
Seryoso?
Oo nga, tanong mo kay Lala. Sinamahan ko siya kanina eh.
Isa lang ba?
Oo, isa lang. Sige, okay na.
Okay.
Is this the one, the other one that you chose?
Mary, this is only 2 eggs, but this come up to 5 eggs. So this is no problem.
And the dress with the bow are the same color, or can you order the bow different color?
No, this, if you want it, we can do it here, but it's gonna cost like $10 or $15 extra in chocolate.
Right, right. And this one you said comes in gold or champagne?
okay
Or a champagne.
Champagne. But you know
And I
what?
Come here, Shy.
Okay, you see.
We got a come here, Shy here.
Do you have a champagne color so I know what kind, how it looks?
It's gonna look like, let me call again.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm taking everybody na...
Your balls.
Sige nga.
I'm not afraid.
And with this one, no problem.